When local Philly legend Benjamin Franklin wasn't busy discovering electricity or fighting off the cheesesteak monster, he was known for creating some of the most famous sayings that we use every day. Among his insights stands one paramount for today's property managers and business owners alike: time is money. In the spirit of Franklin's innovation, we introduced the future of building maintenance. With our revolutionary drone technology, setup and breakdown times are reduced to a mere 5 minutes. What traditionally took weeks now unfolds in mere days, offering substantial short-term and long-term savings. Consider the transformation of a 70,000 square foot dining hall facility at Tulane University. Once a 5-day endeavor with cumbersome lifts, our drones completed the task in 2.5 hours. The maintenance team astounded as we cleared the scene by 10 a.m. Forget the days of unsightly scaffolding or aerial lifts lurking on your property for weeks on end. Our drones fly in 25-minute increments with a swift 30-second battery swap. Zero emissions, zero downtime, all efficiency. We understand the responsibilities on the shoulders of property owners and building managers. That's why we make exterior cleaning effortless. All of your services seamlessly under one roof, executed faster and more efficiently than ever before. Like Ben Franklin said, time is indeed money. Let us help you save both, revolutionizing your property's care with speed, efficiency, and awe-inspiring innovation. The future of cleaning is now.